Yes, I am back with another interesting video I know you are going to love to watch. On this recipe, I'm going to be making water yam porridge. Water yam porridge is one of my favorite food I love so much. In fact, I prefer to eat water yam than the other type of yam we have. So on this video, I'll show you how I made this delicious food. So keep watching if you're interested. I am starting up with peeling off the water yam. Many people don't like to eat water yam. Some said water yam are for old people or people that has diabetes. But water yam has a lot of health benefits that will benefit your health. That is why I love to eat water yam than the other yam. So guys, as you can see, I'm peeling off the back of the water yam. Once I'm done peeling it off, I'm going to wash it neatly and then I'm use my grater to grater it.
Step into the kitchen where the magic's made, from spicy jollof rice to fresh marmalade. Every flavor.
Next, I'm going to wash up the water yam. Make sure all the dirty, all the sand on it is completely off. After which, I'm going to grater the water yam.
Tells a story near and far, in Ijeoma's kitchen where you're the star. There's laughter in the seasoning, a dance in every dish, from pepper soups.
So I proceed to grater the water yam. On this very part, you can use your blender to blend it if you're rushing somewhere. You don't want to grater it because gratering it take a lot of time. You can use your blender to do it. I went in with my onions and my spices, which I'm going to be listing in the description box of this video. And then I went in with my oil and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to be adding the water yam on the pot. So this part is very tricky because if you don't know how to do it, you might make mistake on it. So I'll cut it with my hand and then mold it like as if you're molding fufu and then put it into the pot. I don't know how to explain this part, but just follow the step of what I am doing anyway. So I'll continue this process until I put it, or the reason why I am cutting it like this because I want it to be to mold inside the pot. So you cannot do this with cold water. Make sure the pot on the fire boiled completely before you can do it. And then next I'm going to be adding my dry fish on the pot, and then I'll go in with my frozen vegetable. So here in the UK, whenever you see fresh vegetable, you just buy it, wash it and freeze it in the freezer, because the next time you go to the market, you may not find fresh vegetable to buy. So I'll just put it in the pot, cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, your water yam porridge is ready. I'm just going to stir it around, make sure all the vegetable goes into it completely, and then that is it.
Spicy to your grandmama's wish. Her secret blend of spices brings warmth to the room. In Ijeoma's kitchen, comfort chases gloom. Oh, Ijeoma's kitchen, a flavorful.
Just look how beautiful it looks. It really came out nice. This is one of my favorite way of eating water yam. I love it so much. I prefer to eat water yam porridge than yam porridge. So guys, I'm just going to dish it out, allow it to cool down a little bit, and then I enjoy my lunch. I grew up in Cross River. Water yam porridge is one of their favorite food they love so much. I think that is why I love it so much. Just look how beautiful it looks. It really tastes amazing. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So I'm not going to end this video without testing it for you guys. It really tastes delicious, guys. If you're going to be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. See you all on my next video. Bye.
Embrace where stories blend with spices, memories find their place. Each dish is so